Oloba Salo in Wasobia FM. The thing where una do for me, I no be thank you enough.
All right.
I enter 1.1 million followers. They never invite me come radio before.
Okay.
Everybody they fear.
All
say
right.
this guy,
All right.
he be rude person,
All
and
right.
I no be rude.
All
I
right,
want to go far, I go shop.
Now, of course, you did very controversial for the industry. A lot of bass goes left, right, and center.
Please,
you
what
get
is the
friends?
meaning of controversy?
Okay. Now you be say people they talk over your head. Where? I'm talking about your house for Lekki. I'm talking about
May I
your
turn
car.
my house for Lekki, I be boss man.
Wait. People they think say it is fake life. That
Fake
you're just
life.
doing it to
May I
oppress.
show you receipts?
So you are doing it to oppress.
The reason where I buy my house be say anybody where did this life they plan to buy house, buy car now.
Yes.
And I'm the number one TikToker in Africa, in Nigeria, and I may collect gifts pass.
Not be DJ Chicken.
And they make $10,000 every week.
Not be DJ Chicken be the king of TikTok.
No, but DJ Shiki go be king. Now me bring DJ Shiki come TikTok. Why I bring DJ Shiki come TikTok? I swear to Almighty Allah.
You don't need to swear on the radio.
I don't need to share on the radio. Okay. Why DJ Shiki never buy house now? You know see my GLA.
This Cuban where you were now original.
Now original now.
Make what's in the value?
$20,000. When I buy muscle, they say na Sula buy muscle for me.
They say that your car na fake self.
When I buy fencer, they say na birthday money I use buy fencer. When I buy GLE, they say na loan car. When I buy house, they no sabi wetin they want to. They say na fake
and
life.
The house where you buy, you never buy anything for the house. Now, is it empty house? No?
I don't buy share for am. Then they carry television go today. Yesterday, I buy 10 million television.
10 million
5 television. 2 million for parlor. The remaining one with fridge, driving machine, cry wash machine. What be this one where they wash clothes? Dry machine.
Washing machine.
I buy microwave, buy anything. Yes, check my Instagram now.
All right.
Wasobia FM. I have the not be only the Shiki I bring come TikTok.
Oh, them work.
Now me be the first person where declare TikTok. And then they see money pass for West Africa, for this Nigeria. Now me create TikTok for the life. Nobody ever. And the new generation of Fela Kuti. Nobody should want me in Nigeria.
Talking about Sheyi vibes, Salo.
Okay.
You get one time where you been come out, apologize, say na shayo wound you.
I swear.
Wait, no need to swear. I don't tell you 10 times. You know they could get what you go collect it, security go owe you. Okay. But now you don't bounce from Sheyi vibes. Now you don't enter Sinoliski level.
Sinoliski level. No, I no be Sinoliski level.
Wait now. Hope it's not still shayo. What is your
problem
with Sinoliski now?
My problem with Sinoliski.
Keep it clean, please. Now, what's your idea?
I don't get problem with Sinoliski now.
Okay.
You know, say NSNF, no Sheyi, no vibe. Are we dey town right now?
Okay,
if you no agree, you no agree.
So you declare now on international radio. So you know.
I declare for international radio, the largest radio in West Africa. As from today, if Sheyi and Sinoliski no agree themselves, myself I no go like Sinoliski. Okay,
so that means you are on Sheyi vibe side.
Yes, I'm Sheyi vibe for life. NSNF until my last breath.
Until your what?
Last breath.
Do you mean breath?
Last breath.
I say you don't know English. They follow me, they drag.
No first, boss.
Don't speak pidgin now. So I'm very particular about your journey from Ibadan, come Lagos.
Yes.
And how you take blow up with your TikTok.
If I tell you how I blow for this life, that one go far. I swear. Now person help me.
Who be that person?
If they help you, help another person. Now why I help Salo Junior? The time where I did Ibadan. Normal. If I want to tell my true life story, I no go tell them, but I go brief one for you.
Sharp, because time not.
Okay, I know. When I dey go school, I be talented. Even I dey carry wetin and they give school people scholarship. Then they give me scholarship well. From nursery 3, then promote me to primary 2. But my mama and papa no too get
the
money.
Person will promote you do mistake because you know
they
sabi English.
I sabi everything well.
Okay.
Make I tell you the reason why I no sabi English again.
What happened?
Where I dey speak Garama broken. I go tell you. Oh yeah. My papa and my mama, them born 4 children. Now me be the second born. The money no today, but we dey rough farm. Since we saw a rough farm, my mama send me go public school as you no get money for private again, for JS1. To SS3, I read down for public. And the time where I want to do senior WAEC, now so my mama died.
Oh.
For Jamba and Neko, nobody to send me go school again.
Sorry about the loss of your mama.
And me, my mommy.
Sorry for our loss.
Yes. He don't reach like 9 years now.
What do you miss most about your mama?
Everything. I know the day happy now. If I no smoke, if I no drink, I no go day happy.
We don't say that on radio.
I'm sorry. I dey miss my mama every day. I swear to Almighty Allah. Now only the happiness where I no get
tissue, please, make it no cry. Please, tissue, please.
I know be I swear. But that one no go far. Oh yeah. The reason why my mama died, nobody to send me go school again. I saw myself at the rough farm. Where I see food shop. If I no see food shop, you know say me, I be alagidi. Alagidi picking where they fight.
I can see it.
Yes.
You are very
so
stubborn.
my papa not too like me. He say, oh yeah, he want marry another wife. If he marry another wife, I know if they stay with them. Make I no kill the wife as I kill my mama. For my agidi. Okay, now so I come up for house. I dey rough am. I see the rough am. Oh yeah, all my friends where they dey Ibadan, then they get money. Some they go work. Then they now so one bring me go work. He bring me that work where they do. Then they pick Ike boat in iron for wood.
Okay.
All those bowler boy where they now so me I dey do. As I use that thing buy 100 phone. Okay. Now so my slippers come. I no get slippers, no get clothes again. I see sell that phone buy clothes. Now so my friend they tell me say why you go sell your clothes buy phone? Say you no get sense. Say you no say phone sef go bring money for you. I say oh yeah, say make I come dey rin sekaki adugbo ni. Oh yeah. Now so all the comedy way all my talk where I dey do. Now so my friend go dey post.
So you think you're a comedian? You think you're funny?
I'm not. I don't think I funny. People just think I funny.
Okay.
I do my thing my way.
Okay.
So me I just dey talk that day. Now so my friend go dey video me. Now so then do 1 video or 2 video.
Oh my God! What
no. Oh my God! What happened?
Wait, they're not complete.
That one I don't too get money self.
Okay, but when I walk, you don't already blow already.
The one where I use blow now. Lola, kati ko muri mango to ma soki àwọn tálákà.
Hey, hold on.
I can Dubai, alakanda de obe. Now so I do that thing for all my friends side for Ibadan. Now so I come people they post and be slow they post and Pokoli. Now be slow they help me. Sula money. Oh yeah, when be slow they post that thing. People don't they sabi me. Say I will be Salo. Now so Sula say make I come Lagos. Say I fit come Lagos.
So now Sula and some other
money
and Poker.
Pokoli, yes.
Yeah.
Pokoli first post me for Snapchat. Once Pokoli post me, all my friends they show me say Pokoli don't post your first note for Snapchat. We with the Jack in the
You get plenty people where you be friends with, and some of them where you not really agree with. Thank God say you don't come out Sinoliski from that list officially, right?
Sinoliski.
You don't come out and no, Abi.
Sinoliski, we know you know sign me.
Okay, hold that's number 1. What is your issue with Shempizu, Nation?
I don't get issue with them. Shempizu na my blood brother, boss. I never get issue with.
So people won't know. Say why they call out certain people on the social media as you get platform.
Sometimes if I dey call people out on social media, sometimes we be plan and say make we just dey joke.
Okay,
people no go know.
For trend.
But something there where we say one people go there, you know, say if God don't do blessing for you as one gutter like this. So some people want they want you for life. They know say now you be the boss, but they want collect that thing from your hand. You self no go green now. Now so it be.
Okay, so now you won't tell us. You don't officially tell us say nothing.
Normal. Now maybe the number one TikToker.
Wait, now just for clout. Now just for.
I know they chase clout. I know they chase virality. All the things where they do for TikTok, all the things where they do, all my fans they.
What happened to your TikTok live?
Nothing happened to my TikTok live.
They no ban them.
They know they ban me.
They never restrict you.
3 times.
Why? Because you're stubborn. What happened?
You know, say TikTok get violence and communication guidance now.
And you know they follow them.
And they follow and sometimes I no go. You know, say this Nigeria na person will get Ogba go get money now.
Just shout out to your fans out there.
All my fans from all the world. This is my first interview where I go come. They never invite me before. Help me thank Wazobia FM for giving me the opportunity to come to the radio station. Radio station.
No go
the West radio station
no,
in
the
West Africa.
The biggest
station in West Africa.
Look at that, you know big. He choke.
Over big, over choke. I swear. Wazobia FM, continuation for life. All my fans.
Chook mouth. Wazobia. 95.1